Many students complete their graduation but still feel uncertain about which career path to choose. Today, data analytics is one of the fastest growing careers with a high demand for skilled professionals. At Data Analyst Academy, we prepare students with industry-ready skills and guide them step by step into successful careers. Our faculty are experienced professionals from leading companies, bringing real-world knowledge to every session. The course covers Excel, SQL, Power BI, and advanced reporting, skills every company looks for in a data analyst. Students work on real-time projects, assignments, and case studies to gain hands-on experience. We conduct weekly tests, feedback sessions, and mock interviews, along with dedicated mentor support after classes. Our placement team has successfully guided students to secure roles as data analysts in reputed companies. At Data Analyst Academy, we don't just provide training, we build careers. Call us today or visit dataanalystacademy.in.